Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Krisp Pro login issues, device and account errors step by step clearly. To troubleshoot Krisp Pro login issues, begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable network. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection for better reliability. Next, restart your device to refresh all system processes. After the restart, open the Krisp application. Check for any available updates for the Krisp app. To do this, visit the App Store or official website. If updates are available, download and install them. Once updated, attempt to log in again with your credentials. If you still encounter issues, verify your account details. Ensure you are entering the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Check your spam or junk folder for any verification emails from Krisp. If your account is newly created, ensure you complete any necessary verification steps. If you are using a VPN, disable it temporarily, as it may interfere with the login process. Try clearing the cache and cookies of your web browser if you are using Krisp through a browser. For desktop users, uninstall and reinstall the Krisp application. Open your settings to check for any firewall or security software blocking Krisp. If none of these steps resolve the issue, attempt logging in from a different device. This can help determine whether the problem is device-specific. If you're still experiencing problems, contact Krisp support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your issue. This ensures they can assist you effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.